Working on the other side now. Make sure we get that grease all around there. Oops, try to pick up that pick. And using some grease to get the ball bearings may help. They're small ball bearings, so they're a little hard to grip, especially if you got these greasy fingers. All right, boom. There we go. So both sides in, both sides don't drop. Just put in the seals. Good to go. And sometimes these seals go bad, so just inspect them. You may need to replace them. This bike is fairly new, or this hub is fairly new, so we don't need to replace these, but just be cautious of that. All right, let's put that axle in.